Rest up here if you want. I won't be much company. Come on, warm yourself a while. You have regrets? I've been a loner for a long time. Prefer it that way. But my brother wrote to me and asked me if I'd help his family move out west. We hadn't spoken in years.
This is interesting.
Very different fellers. But I thought, this is something I can do. Wish I could tell you this had a happy ending. I travel out to meet them, ride with the wagon train, them and a couple other families, all soft-handed city types. Couple of days in, my brother's irking me something rotten.
Huh.
Asking when I'm gonna settle down, acting like he's better. So, just as we start the climb to cross over the Grizzlies, halt and don't look back. And you know what? They got caught in bad weather in the mountains and died. Every single one.
Bummer.
They started eating each other. And I'll always have that one.
It's a Donner Party. It's a nod to the Donner Party.
I'm sorry. You need to hear this. I need to keep busy.
Oh, come on. I want to hear more.
I know you.
No, I don't think so.
Don't like it one bit. I ain't seen nothing.
You're going to leave your camp here for me?